Hey, one of our new guests is coming in. I'm disturbed that you call them guests and not intruders. Whoa, territorial. Hey, everybody. Which kitchen utensil has the most rhythm? Hmm? An egg beater. Because it keeps the time. Yep. All that happy time. Do people find me creepy? Only on days that end with Y. Oh, good. So not all the time. Bye now. He's my new favorite. Um, I'm undecided. Um, hey, merch. I don't know if he's on there yet or not, but we'll get right on that once people are done being creeped out.